So what's up guys, welcome back to Dream Academia once again. So guys, today we have a very important announcement for all of you. I hope that the WJE 2021 and the JEE Main 2021 third phase has been a great success for you all, and you all have performed as you should have been expecting to perform. So now there is only one attempt that is left in front of you, that is the JEE Main fourth attempt, and that is mostly the last exam for all most of you, except the ones who qualify for JEE Advanced. Although we are providing you the opportunities in such way that all of our students qualify for JEE Advanced. So guys, for to enhance your preparation during these last few days, I think you all, the most important factor that works over here is you have to revise what you all have already studied, and then also you have to practice a lot of mock tests. Mock tests we have already told before WJE and also before the JEE Mains earlier attempts that mock test is the key factor in your last few days. And guys, to help you in that pursuit, we have brought our mock test for JEE Main 2021 fourth phase. We will be having a series of 2 mock tests. We will also increase it if there is a demand for more. The first mock test will primarily be conducted on 8th of August 2021. The test window will probably be for 24 hours, or we can extend it for 36 hours if we feel. And for those who have already appeared for the 4th mock test of WBJ, you all know that you have got your detailed solutions, your answer keys, ranks, marks, everything. And also even in the detailed website we have done in the CBT mode. The same will be applied over here, and we will be having our exam in a detailed CBT mode, where you will be getting all the analysis and everything, including our ranks and all details after the examination straight away. And so guys, the more of you who register, the better it is for all of you, because you'll get a better idea of the competition. And the exam paper will be of the latest JEE Main 2021 pattern, given the fact that the pattern has changed in the last few years. So there is not much help from the previous mock tests, which are not of the latest pattern. The link is in the description box. You just need to go in and register for that mock test. So putting things apart, guys, work hard for the last few days, because these last few days will decide your own career, which you all have been working for this for the last 2 years, as I have already told. So don't let it go in waste. Don't get too much depressed if you feel that your WJE has not gone so well, or your JEE Main third attempt has not gone so well. Forget all those exams. Now just focus on the JEE Main fourth attempt, and to try to give it as per your capabilities and potential, so that you can get a decent college through this exam. On 8th of July, we will be having our 8th of August, I'm sorry, we will be having our first mock test for JEE Main 2021 fourth phase. The test window will be for 24 hours or 36 hours, depending on students' demand. You are free to register for the mock test through the link given in the description box. And if you have any form of doubts, you can DM any one of the on one of the members of Dream Academia to Telegram, or you can mention it in the comment section. We are always ready and online to help you out. If you have any problems, if you have any doubts, you are free to join our Telegram group. We are always online over there to help you through any doubts you have, be it academic or anything. So guys, with this I end this video over here. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, and all the best for all your upcoming exams, and rock the exams with Dream Academia. We are always there by you. Good luck.